Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to reverse a string in Golang in a very simple way. I will type the code step by step and I will also explain it in details. So let's get started. First we will start the main package and import the fmt package to print our outputs. Okay, now we are writing the main function where main function where we will define our string like str. So and the reversed, so we will define our string and call the reverse function, and this function is argument is str and return also the string, and we are and the original string is hello Golang. We will print fmt.println. So original string is this str, then fmt.println the reversed string, like this is reversed. Okay, so we will print both the original string and reverse string. Okay, here we have written the reverse string function. Okay, reverse string function, this reverse string function is argument, take the argument is string and output also the string. Okay, in the Golang we need to convert the string into a into a slice of runes, because string in Golang are immutable and can have multiple bytes characters. So firstly we have string convert to runes. So firstly we convert the runes. So rune and pass the our string like s. Then we swap the character from start to end using a simple for loop. Okay, so for loop, firstly I we have take two variables like I and j. So we declare I like start index, so this is 0, and j is end of string end of the string index. So its index number is like length of take length of runes. Okay, and -1 its index. and the condition like I index, if I index less than j, so continue the loop, else continue the loop, and and I index and j index. So we have increase 1 by I index and decrease by the j index of 1. Okay, and then the swap the I index to j and j index to I. Okay, runes I to j and j to I, j to I to j and j to I. Okay, that's good. And then the return the runes of string. Okay, here we have written the reverse string function in Golang. Okay, this is the function. When we run this code, it will print the original string and the reverse string expected. Okay, firstly we save and run. Go run and main dot go. As you see, the original string and the reverse string, this reverse string are printed successfully. This is how you can reverse a string in Golang using a simple for loop and rune slice. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, comments below. See you in next